Hey beautiful, today I'm gonna show you my easy go-to rose gold glam. So if you want to know the products I use to create this look, then please keep watching. First of all, my skin is quite red as you can see, so I'm spraying this all over my face to soothe and prep my skin. I'm using the Misty Legend Care Spray and has been my go-to makeup spray for a few months now. And yes, it's edible and completely safe to use as it's FDA approved. Please do visit the description box if you want to try this out for yourself and let me know how this works for you. Next, I'm applying foundation with my fingers. I honestly just couldn't find my beauty blender. This product leaves a few tiny streaks when used with a brush, so I figured this only works best with a sponge or your fingers for a full coverage. You can also use the foundation as concealer, but for some reason I'd rather use my MAC MINERALIZE, which if you notice is almost empty. Aside from the coverage it gives, it also hydrates my skin, especially around my under eyes without creasing. Set your foundation in place and then let's move on with bronzer. You know the drill, apply this where the sun hits you the most. Basically, we're trying to add warmth to our faces. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using my trusty ZOEVA Cafe and the shade Tasting Note all over my eye socket. Then with a wet brush, I'll be using Amplify from the Icon Pro eyeshadow palette by Absolute New York, which is a rusty gold shimmer. To the center of my eyelids, I'm using the Misty Legend Care Spray to wet the brush as usual. And then take Tobacco on the lower lash line and highlight the inner corners with Stardust, which has a hint of rose pink in it. Next step is to carefully line your waterline with Black Kohl eyeliner for a smooth and easy application, and then create a thin wing using a liquid liner.
Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh. I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me.
After that, curl your lashes and apply a pair of falsies. You can just use a mascara, but I prefer false lashes because sometimes it's way easier to take off. I did my brows off cam and now we're just wrapping up the eyes. This is also one of my faves. It's a mini BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade OPAL. I'm also using this to highlight the nose and cheeks and then apply a warm mauve blush. For the lips, apply a liquid lipstick in this MOBB color. This is Read by COLOURETTE Cosmetics, and to be honest with you, I really love this color, but sadly it doesn't last very long, so you might want to bring this with you if you want to retouch during the day or night. Lastly, set your whole face using the Misty Legend Care Spray and we are done! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and comment below what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!